Our objective is I can condense and expand logarithms using the power rule. So the power property, I don't know why I have identity here. We don't need that. It says that log base b of m to the n power is n times log base b of m. Condense into a single logarithm, simplify if possible. Log 3 times log of 6, so we're going to take 3 and make it the exponent of 6, so this will be log of 6 to the third power, which will be log of 216. Now we have 1/2 times log base 4 of 81, which will be log base 4 of 81 to the 1/2, which is log base 4 of the square root of 81, which is log base 4 of 9. Now we have x minus 1 times ln of 4, which will be ln of 4 to the x minus 1 power. Here we have to expand using the power property. So we have log base 2 of 5 to the x. So we will bring x to the outside. It will be x times log base 2 of 5. Here we have ln of the cube root of 2x plus 1, which will be ln of 2x plus 1 to the 1/3 power, which will be 1/3 of ln times 2x plus 1. Now we have log base 6 of 1 over 64, which will be log base 6 of 1 over 8 to the second power, which is log base 6 of 8 to the negative second power, which is negative 2 times log base 6 of 8. After this lesson, you now can use the power rule for logarithms.